Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to check laptop battery health in Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first, in your desktop, you can open your CMD. You can go to your search box and search for CMD. And in the CMD, you can run as administrator here. And then in the terminal here, you can type power CFG space slash battery report and then hit enter. And then as you can see, the battery live report saved to file patch Windows system battery report HTML. So basically you can just go to your file explorer and search it manually in your path, or you can just copy it like this. Copy, Control C, open your file explorer, and you can just paste the path here, hit enter, and it will automatically open the battery report. So basically, the battery report, give you the details of your battery. You can see there's a lot of data here, but in this video, we're gonna talking about the battery health. So if you check the installed batteries, and you will find the design capacity and full charge capacity. So, to calculate the battery health, you have to divide the full charge capacity to design capacity and then multiply it by 100. So in my case, I'm gonna divide my full charge capacity 47 40 150 and then divide it by 65,002 and then multiply it by 100 and it will be 73%. So that means the laptop can hold around 70%, 73% of its original battery capacity and has lost around 27%. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.